What's up, everybody? It's Jonathan from LoneWolfDayTrading, and we just entered a new age. You guys asked for it, and I delivered. I got the live trading from today. Now, was it the most convenient thing in the world? Hell no, it wasn't. But you guys asked for it. I hooked it up. Go ahead and check it out. So my primary candidate for today is going to be AMRN. Now this one's down about a point and a half, a little over 7%. Now if you see within the stop price, I put 18.95, and the reason I did that is because that's the previous day's low. I like for this chart to get closer to the previous day's low before I look for an entry, because I'm looking for it to close that gap. So let's see how that goes for me. So market just opened, it's 9:30. So it looks like we're getting a lot of downward pressure. A lot of people may jump in thinking it's going to go lower, but you always want to wait for a pullback. No matter how low this goes, there's always going to be some type of pullback. This first candle looks like there's a lot of selling pressure, but you want the buyers to get out of it. And the buyers don't look like they've appeared yet. Now, once the buyers get in there, there's going to be a lot of volatility that's going to happen. And then that's where we're actually going to get the price that we want when we do short it. Now, if you ever see a stock that's bouncing between green and red, you normally don't want to take a stock like that. You want something that's down about a point and a half, 7, 10, 15% down on the day. And then you want it to bounce back up to that previous day's low where I put the 18.95. Now, right now, you see that candle before, we're mostly looking for any type of patterns that may form. Now, this candle right here goes below the previous, then, it could continue to go down. But hopefully they build some type of support. And it looks like the buyers are coming in now. We're waiting to see how far this pushes up. I want this to break a new high. That's basically what I'm looking for, is for it to break a new high, because I want those buyers to get out. Once the buyers see that that high was broken, then basically they've accomplished their mission. They can get the hell out of there, and then the shorters can take hold of this stock. And that's what I'm waiting for. So it looks like we're getting close to it. Okay, we just made a new high at 18.09. And hopefully it pushes a little bit higher. We're having a lot of volatility in this one candle right here. Almost 200,000 shares. Now, I love spiking candles like this. I want to short the top of this. But I want to take low position because hopefully it goes even higher and closes that gap even more. So 250 shares, and we just shorted it. We're in 250 at 18.02. Now, I'm hoping that this pulls back. The buyers, they start to consolidate, and it shoots to a new high. Now, if the new high doesn't happen, then, I'll just take the small gain with the 250 shares. It's nothing going to be to write home about, but, green's green, and then that's sometimes how it goes. So hopefully I start with the small share size at 18.02. It pushes up to 18.30, 18.40. I take even large shares up my average because I'm wanting it to close the gap. Now, a lot of people say, where is your ultimate stop? My ultimate stop is going to be when this stock goes from red to green. Now, granted, I'm looking at the previous day's low as my ultimate stop, but that's going to be the biggest point. That's why I start with the small share size. All right, so it's coming down. Now, right now with these two candles, now this third candle, we actually have a triple bottom, and possibly it could become a triple top. Now, with this triple bottom, the shorters, of course, are looking at those candles right there for it just to push through. Now, this could possibly push through, and if it does, it can continue to go down. I don't want to add to this because, it could easily go back up, and I'm not trying to add at a low point in the stock. At this point, it could continue to go down even further, but I don't want to do that. So if it does push through, we'll see what we do at that point. All right, so it looks like it just pushed through, but we're having a lot of buying pressure on the left side. Okay, it pushed through. Okay, see how it pushed through and immediately jumped back up? Now we're out of the position. $35. $35 is fine. Now look at ANY. This is one that I would love to short. Now it's going up. It was up in the pre-market. I told myself if it's down in the pre-market, then I'm going to go for this one stock. But it's just continuing to go up, and it could continue to skyrocket. All right, now looking at AMRN again, I'm wanting to get back into this stock. Now it went back up. It touched the high. It didn't break it. But hopefully if it creates a support right here, as we can see, there's a 796 or 1796 is where these two lows are. Now if it breaks at 1796, we could get a lot of downward pressure. I'm looking at jumping into the stock right now and just missed it. I just missed the 1796 break. See how far it wants to go down. Oh, man. And that's why I never chase a stock. I had an idea that 1796 would be a good break, but, you know, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. So, you know, $35 on the day. I can't complain. It's green. I hope you've all enjoyed my live trading video. Now, I did miss an entry and maybe more. I don't know, but it's going to happen. There really wasn't a lot to pick from today. I was looking primarily at AMRN, and I had a movement. I was green, $35. It's not a lot, but, you know, I can't complain. For a minute of trading, make it $35. You know, it's fine. I'll be back at it tomorrow. And, you know, if you guys like the live trading videos, if you like to see, just trust me, when I watch them, I like to see the chart go up and down. I don't like to see, like, okay, there's the stationary chart. I like to see the action, feel like I'm in it. So if you guys liked it, you know, let me know and I'll keep doing it. It's not very convenient because I have to bring a lot of equipment to, you know, outside of, like, my actual apartment. But, you know, it's fine. If you guys enjoy it, then I'll keep doing it. Thank you all so much for the support. Truly here for you guys. If you want to, make sure you email me. It was in the video. This is Jonathan with Lone Wolf Day Trading, and stay green.